Hey guys, good morning. If you have not taken the unit test, which happened last week on Friday, if you did not take that test, it is a 0 in the grade book right now. You need to take that test if you have not. Also, those of you who failed the test, you need to do unit test corrections. They're found right here in this black folder. You just click on it and you go do that Desmos activity. Each slide has a question or a video that could help you. Whatever grade you get there, I can override your test grade. So for instance, let's say you got a 40 on the test and then you do the test corrections and you end up with an 80. I will replace the 40 with an 80. Okay, so make sure you do test corrections. Los que no pasaron la prueba del viernes tienen que hacer este para corregir el grado. Today is Wednesday, so you're going to click Wednesday, and we are doing slope from equations. Make sure that you write down all of your notes, okay? There's going to be notes where you have to solve for y. Make sure that you write those down. So you're going to do the Ed puzzle today. Then we're going to practice a card sort in Desmos activity, and then you're going to do an exit ticket discussion, okay? A lot of the times, I take attendance based on who got into the Ed puzzle or who did the discussion. So just make sure that you're always doing everything that's assigned to you. Okay? And as always, if you have any questions, just ask me. You can always get back into the Google Meets if you get out, or if you're in class, make sure that you ask for help.